not hear from you again. Never thought I'd see your name light on my phone, but here we are. I was doing my best to move on, telling myself that you were gone. Days turn into months somehow, then your name came flashing up just now. Tried to call but I couldn't get through, sent an SMS saying I miss you. Even sent a please call me up too, praying one day they make it to you. I stared at the screen for a while, then I couldn't help but smile. Funny how one little thing can make your whole heart sing. A broken heart. There were moments I miss your laugh, moments I miss what we had. I tried to act like I was fine, tried to leave it all behind, but every now and then I see a little piece of you in me, oh baby. Sometimes hard.